Okay, you guys, so I'm either going to add this video to the last one, or I'm just going to make a real quick video to show you what dry brushing is, because I was going to link the other video. I don't even want to try to go back and find it, but this is really quick, so I'm going to show you how to dry brush if you do not. So on the last video, I did show you how I put this one together with the gold strips. This is my personal journal. It's going to be my personal journal. And so I explained that when I put the paper clips on, it dented it in, which kind of upset me a little bit, you know, but I did go in and go ahead and do the gold leafing like I was explaining in that last video, or not the gold leafing, but the dry brushing to add in the gold highlights to kind of tie it all together. And so that's what this one is. I'm going to show you real quick. This was another cover that I finished today, and I'm going to show you real quick how to do dry brushing. So I just have a piece of off-cut board. You could use paper, which is what I usually use, or whatever. I use whatever I have at the time. So this wasn't going to be used. I could have, but anyway, it's not. I put a little bit of gold, and it's just the same gold that I colored the strips with, right? Pure gold. I put a little bit here. I have a dry bristle brush, and I'm going to dab that into the gold to get it coated up enough. And you see all of that that's in there. Then I'm going to take another piece of paper, and this is just some junk mail, and I'm going to do like that. I don't always get all of it off because sometimes I like a little more, I like for the gold to show up a little bit. And then I'm just going to take it, and ideally you're going to hit edges that get a lot of wear, like your corners, and then places where you touch the journal, touch the book all the time, you know, where you get heavy wear. So these are just highlights. I like to hit the ribs, the corners inside. I'm going to, of course, put highlighted on here, all of these edges, and then on the tip as well. And I just do like this, really, really quickly. And the brush, I have it kind of level with the playing field. I have it level with whatever piece I'm working on, and depending, then I'll just go around. And I like to get it a little heavier here, and I also go inside here as well. But I like to get in these grooves and go heavy like that. But I'm just going to hit that like that, and then these corners here. And when I see that I need a little more paint on there, I'm just going to go back in a little bit, dab a little more off, and then go back in. And the more gold I want to show up, the heavier it will be. So this is a lighter fabric. It's not going to show up necessarily as easy as it would on the purple color that I had. But I'm just going in really quick to show you, because I have, I want to keep the coffee dye color here. And this is just muslin, but I want to show you. Now, I'm going to go in a little heavier, probably, because I want more of that gold to show up, like there. So I'll put a little more gold here. I'm just going to put a little more. And I was using this also for my glue. Just going a little bit more there. And I do like to test it. I'll test it somewhere inside. And then now, hopefully, I see that. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about the shadow there. But now I'm getting more gold because I didn't brush as much off. So now you're seeing more of that gold come through. And I try to hit all those cracks and crevices. Now this is going to be it, because like I said, it's going to be a quick little video. And you can do this how you want to do it. This is your journal, your creation, whatever you're working on. You do it how you want to do it. You know, try to create something new, add on top of what's old, and that's how we evolve. That's how we just keep going. And we keep things lively so that we're not getting bored of stuff. This is just something old. Now, with my journal, but you guys won't see that because I'm I know I make videos, but I tend to be a private person. You guys probably will never see my personal journals because that's just how it is. You may see them before I begin to work in them, but that's as far as that goes. I applaud those who can, you know, be so open, but some of the wild stuff, what? Yeah, right. But anyway, you may never see me do, probably, because not everybody's into that, and I can kind of tell where you know, what people like. And, you know, you provide a service. If I'm going to sell these journals, I need to at least, you know, provide something that I know people will like. Or, you know, I could make something really rad, but if someone wanted to pay $500, $1,000 for something, more than likely, the way used to, but you got to look at the times, the way things are going, and you have to adjust. So I'll just, you know, keep stuff like that for myself. And hopefully no one will contact me and tell me to make them a journal like that. Something really rad. I'm probably doing a little too much talking. It's getting late here. And yeah. Well, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm not completely done with this because I want to add in more gold. But you can see, quick video, how to add your dry brushing to your projects or to your journals. Really pick up here. I can go even heavier on these little raised pieces here on the hub. So I changed it up, and this is what it looks like now. I'm pretty satisfied with this. So that's going to be it for now. You guys have a wonderful night, a grand rising, or a wonderful evening, wherever you are.